First ball, and it will be just a single to start. That opens the scorecard of the team. First ball, first run. Takes a single by Nias PCC. Both openers are off the mark. Straight away with a single. That brings that is brilliant delivery, using a full length delivery and taps it through the onside by Irshad. It gets another single. Three runs on card from first three balls. What a pace and what an excellent speed that maintaining throughout this tournament by Askar was. A wonderful youngster, loading an extra bit of pace, generating that in the front line of the team. GMC Thaira. Not gets the right connection, not gets the right swing from the bat of Irshad, and it was an outstanding piece of bowling again by Askar was absolutely gorgeous. 4 runs from 5 balls, last ball of the over. India catches a call. Riaz makes no mistakes, and that's a wicket of Irshad. Is going back, and the first over, successful first over from the little pocket rockets. Askar was brings it such a superb way for the team. GMC Thaira 4 for the loss of 1 after 1. Qasim Chudi coming with the over number 2. Vinit Vince joins in at number 3 along with Nias PCC. Wide down the leg stump by Qasim Chudi. Five on card with that extra. You're watching the grand finale. You're watching the gold final. Wide again. A little way outside on this occasion. And that brings another run in form of extra. 2 wides in a row. Score moves on 6. In the slot, to the onside by Nias PCC, takes a single, and it will be a strike rotation that brings Vinith Wins on strike. 7. Exceptional one to back in the process. Here is a chance, and here is a chance. Yes, it is. That's a chance, and they made superbly, and that brings up the wicket of Vinith Wins. What an excellent throw and a brilliant piece of fielding. That will be a wicket of Vinith Wins. The informed batter is gone back. New batter Ashwath Kasaragod joins. 7 for the loss of 2. Still 4 balls to go from the over. Well, there it is, another chance, but this time easily going between the wicket by the batters of Ceylon Sporting, Ashwath. Keeping the line really tight from the leg stump. Beautiful way. After 2 wides in a row by Kasim, he was back in the track with some deliveries, with lot of perfection. 2 balls to go from the over. Good comeback from Kasim Chudi. That's a good shot. Into the gap and 1 bounce and over the row for a boundary for 4 from the bat of Ashwath Kasaragod. That brings a double digit. 12 scoreboard at 12 on card. Last ball of the over, number 2. 12 for 2 by Ceylon, the strikers. Comes down a little bit from the popping crease by Ashwath, and it will be just a single, and Ashwath keep the strike. That's the end of 2. It is 13 for the loss of 2. 13 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ Ceylon Sporting here in the grand finale of MCC Premier League 2026 here in Lord's Cricket Ground, Hidayat Nagar, Kasaragod. Match is going live on YouTube by Starnet Media, and we have umpires and scorers from Malappuram, Yunus Malappuram, Iqbal Vengara and Nivas Tirur. They have done a fabulous job as match officials. Apu Besties comes and this is the best one from the blade of Ashwath. What a power and what a timing perfection from Ashwath, the prominent batter. It delivered. He delivers at the best time, at the right time. Another one clears the longest part of the ground effectively by Ashwin with a staggering shot. With the quality of skill, he's just experiencing. Such a passionate cricketer. 2 sixes in a row from the blade of Ashwath Kasaragod in front of Apu Besties. Scorecard is flying. 25 on card with a 2 sixes. Pressure now maintaining to the other side. Shot again. Hat-trick of sixes from the blade of Ashwath Kasaragod. Is born for finals. Ready to make a delicious final here for the team. This is some batting. This is some hits. 31. And this time absolutely brilliant from Apu is back with a dot ball. But what a way, producing runs. 31 already by Ceylon Sporting. 31. No ball is allowed. Call from Iqbal Vengara. Apu Besties is losing a little bit control. 3 sixes in a row to start the over. Then a dot. Then a no ball. Freed coming up. In the air. And it will be a free hit delivery. First and completed. Settle with that one. Brings 33. Last ball of the over, number 3. Nias BCC to the onside first run and settle with that single. That will be the end of the over, number 3. 34. 34 റൺസുമായി 3 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു from the first innings of final. Magnificent piece of batting from Ashwath Kasaragod. Chechu is working hard. അങ്ങനെ ഓരോ താരങ്ങളും തങ്ങളുടെ ടീമിനെ കൃത്യമായ രീതിയിൽ കളിക്കാനുള്ള ആ ഒരു സാഹചര്യം ഒരുക്കുന്നതിൽ ഷബീബിനോടൊപ്പം ചേർന്ന് നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് ചെച്ചുവും ക്യാപ്റ്റൻ ഇർഷാദും മുന്നിട്ടിറങ്ങുന്നു. നിയാസ് ഓൺ സ്ട്രൈക്ക് when we start the last over. Chachi coming. Chachi Alambadi. Shot in the air. Sammu Chattanjal going back and it will be no chance to collect. Coming back was second by the batters. 2 runs resulted in an ease way by the batters of Nias BCC. Just top edge and gone past into the restricted region that goes. There it is. It will be a single that brings Ashwath Kasaragod, the man in form, back to the strikers end for the team. Ceylon Sporting. Final over of the innings, number 1 of gold final of MCC Cup. Another one comes down the track by Ashwath Kasaragod, just brings a single on this occasion. That was a superb full length delivery by Chachu. When the battery is advancing, he is keeping it tight and full. 3 balls to go. 38 for 2. Aha, that is high in the sky. And there will be right in the hands after hitting on the nets. And this is a magnificent maximum from Nias PCC for the team. Ceylon Sporting. 44 on dot. It will be a run out and there will be a no ball. Alpatiyajilekka scoreboard എത്തുമ്പോൾ new batter joins on the non-strikers in 2 balls remaining. That's a beautiful delivery and straight to the wicket keeper, and Shabir Ali goes back in form of a run out, and that will be another wicket. Back-to-back run outs, back-to-back wickets, and the new man Arju Solo getting an opportunity as a batter after a long time later. He's a capable striker. Comes the last one from the innings. Fantastic bowling display from Chachi, and that will be the end of the innings. Number 1 in final. 45 runs on dot, 46 to chase, and for the final innings. First ball, is it a chance? Well, that was a half a chance. And after best his little double-minded attempt and gets off the mark. Little moment from that delivery. That is a good shot and good looking shot and very good catch over there. Ashwath Kasaragod is a magician in final. We have seen a hat-trick of sixes from the blade of Ashwath, and this is a tremendous catch. Absolutely a wonderful grab. And who is that in the jersey of Bangalore Royal Challengers? That is Ishtiaq Hussain, the MD of Ludis. Three for 1, Chachi Alambadi joins in at number 3 for the team, GMC Taira. Oh, that's a beauty again from Irshad. having a truckload of experience in cricket as a frontline bowler by Irshad, is loading it perfectly in the final. 3 for 1, last ball of the over. Tried onto the gap, and Ashwath is so quick in the outfield. And once again a wonderful job completed by the captain as a batter and bowler. Fantastic first over comes to an end. 4 for the loss of 1. And there is 42 required from 18 balls of cricket. 42 target. Apu Besties is standing on the non-strikers, and Chachi. What a tournament for Chachi this is. He made a 49 not out while chasing an innings from just 19 balls. Oh, there it is! The bowling changes works for the team. Absolutely an excellent captaincy from Irshad. Is keeping Nihal to the back and bringing Vineet into the attack, and he produced the wicket. A tactical move, and that works as a wicket, and Sammu Chattanjal comes as a new batter. Easily played, a stylish shot from Sammu, waiting for that delivery, just giving, and pulls it over the infield and takes a single that brings Apu Besties on strike. And this is interesting. Vineet versus Apu. Apu Besties, always the best in the business, and he loves that kind of length from Vineet and treating it superbly. What a pull shot! Absolutely smoked it out of the ground. What a celebration, a silent celebration from Vineet Wins after getting a violent wicket of Apu Besties. ടൂർണമെന്റിൽ കാണികളുടെ ഇടയിൽ നിന്ന് ഉയർന്നു കേട്ട ഏറ്റവും ഹർഷാരവുമായി പൈച്ചി ക്രീസിലേക്ക് ഷാഫി ചെമ്പരിക്ക നേരത്തെ മമ്മുവിന് 1000 കൊടുത്തതാണ്. ഇത്തവണ പൈച്ചി 2 സിക്സ് അടിച്ചാൽ 1000 രൂപ സമ്മാനിക്കുമെന്ന് അറിയിക്കുന്നു. But Vineet is so perfect. Vineet is so clinical. അവസാന പന്തിലേക്ക് രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഓവർ. Another one by Vineet, a successful second over. 12-ൽ 35 റൺസ്. This will be a crucial over. Nias PCC or Nihal. Two choice there. And it will be Nias PCC looks to be. Yes, it is. Shabir Ali coming behind the stumps. And Nias PCC warm-upping. And Nihal will be the last over bowler. And Sammu Chattanjal is ready for some game of cricket. Aha! Kidilanadi nere മൈതാനത്തിന്റെ പുറത്തേക്ക് തൂക്കി സമ്മുവിന്റെ കരങ്ങളാലെ സിക്സർ over the deep square leg. പതിനേഴിലേക്ക് സ്കോർ ബോർഡ് എത്തുമ്പോൾ ഇനി വേണ്ടത് 29. Oh, that is much better. Absolutely wonderful delivery after concede a 6. He was back with a top class one. Oh, he's done well. The same kind of approach and keeping that length. What a way to back by Nias PCC after the first ball 6. 2 dot balls, 2 golden dot balls. Edgen gone past the wicket keeper. Takes a single on this occasion that brings Paichi on strike. 8 പന്തിൽ 28. Paichi just over the tall Marin shot. It's gone for 6 runs and the game is on. What a way to Paichi muscled it with his stellar talent. Not gets many of opportunities, but this time using that opportunity really well. Well, the game is comes. 22 target 7 പന്തിൽ. Another one looks to be in the slot, and but this time completely missed. 2 sixes we have seen in this over of Nias PCC. That will be the end of third over. 24 for the loss of 3. 22 required from final 6. Final over. Just a placement from Sammu Chattanjal. Was a very good delivery from Nihal. He's such a fine bowler of Kasaragod. Excellent 2 deliveries from Muhammad Nihal. And the team Ceylon Sporting is ready to celebrate. Slowly the celebration starts. That is high in the sky. Paichi gone for 6 runs. This is the true quality of Paichi. Whenever the situation goes wrong in front of you, and this man is the right man to bring the situation back under their custody. What a hit that was. 15 required from 3. 2 sixes required. Clever delivery, cleverly changes the pace of the ball. Balls from the back of the finger by Nihal is a tactical, brilliant bowler. What an execution. അവസാന രണ്ട് പന്തുകൾ, അവസാന ആക്ഷനുകളിലേക്ക് MCC ദുബായിയുടെ ക്രിക്കറ്റ് പ്രീമിയർ ലീഗ്. Thank you, Spicy Cafe. Thank you for making the event wonderfully with all your support. And final delivery. That's it, and that will be and the time to celebrate. Ceylon Sporting are the champions of season 3 of MCC Dubai presents MCC Premier League here in Lord's Castle.